For these delicious ravioli, we will use the entire beetroot. Nothing will be wasted. We will use the juiciest part for our filling. Peel the beets. Cut that into cubes. Place them in a pan and season them generously with some salt and olive oil, a clove of garlic. Add a good amount of sage, tear it with your hands, give that a little massage, and roast it in the oven for 35 minutes at 200 degrees. Here are our nicely roasted beets. Remove the clove of garlic and add them into a mixer, making sure to get all that lovely sage and the cooking liquids. Then add hazelnuts, gorgonzola, and mix that all up. And our filling is ready. We will prepare the fresh pasta in the most classic way. Pour the flour onto our countertop, and using the bottom of a bowl, create a well. Pour the eggs inside, and begin to mix it all together. Once the eggs are well incorporated, continue kneading the dough by hand. To achieve a nice firm dough, we need to knead for about 10 minutes. We have a nice smooth ball, which we will cover and allow to rest for at least half an hour. Once the dough has rested, divide it into 2 pieces. Leave the other piece covered so it does not dry out. Then if you prefer, you can roll the dough out by hand using a rolling pin until you get it to be really thin. Otherwise, you can use a dough sheeter. In this case, we will start with the first thickness setting. After running the dough through the machine once, fold it in on itself just like this. Then run it through again at the same thickness. We will move to the second thickness setting, running the dough through twice. Then we can form the ravioli. Here is the stuffing, which I put into a piping bag. Portion it out at an even distance. Take as much space as you need, without worrying about wasting pasta, because all the pasta that is trimmed away can be used again after a short rest. Cover it up with the other sheet of pasta. Pat the sheets of pasta together around the lumps of filling. Do this step very gently and carefully. This will let out the air bubbles and seal the 2 layers together. Take a round dough cutter, and we can start to cut out our little ravioli. The first ravioli are ready. Repeat these steps to make them all. For the sauce, we will use all the parts of the leaves. Set aside just a few whole leaves. Then separate the green leaves from the red stems. Next, blanch them in salted water. After a minute, drain them, and once they have been cooled under running water, blend them with some oil. Cut the stems into small pieces, and we will simply saute them with a little oil and salt. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. In the meantime, let's cook the ravioli. Drain them directly into the pan, toss them just a few seconds, and they are ready. Add just a few drops of the leaf sauce, a few grinds of pepper, and as a final touch, add a few whole leaves. And here it is, a very colorful and anti-waste recipe. Let's see if it also tastes good. Now that is really delicious. Bon appétit!